The largest gland in the human body is Answer is liver. The first part of the small intestine is Answer is duodenum. Which enzyme digests proteins in the stomach? Pepsin. Bile is produced by liver. The normal adult dentition consists of 32 teeth. The pH of gastric juice is approximately 1.5 to 3.5. Which vitamin is synthesized by intestinal bacteria? Vitamin K. The longest part of the alimentary canal is small intestine. The worm-like appendage attached to the cecum is appendix. Salivary amylase digests starch. Which sphincter prevents reflux from the stomach? Cardiac sphincter. The main absorptive cells of the small intestine are enterocytes. Which organ stores bile? Gallbladder. The functional unit of the liver is lobule. Which hormone stimulates gastric acid secretion? Gastrin. The major site of nutrient absorption is small intestine. Which enzyme digests fats? Lipase. The largest salivary gland is parotid. Which cells secrete hydrochloric acid? Parietal cells. The ileocecal valve lies between ileum and cecum. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes and hormones. Which part of the intestine contains Peyer's patches? Ileum. The process of swallowing is called deglutition. Which enzyme converts proteins into peptides? Pepsin. The major function of bile is fat emulsification. The brush border enzymes are present in small intestine. Which organ produces intrinsic factor? Stomach. Vitamin B12 is absorbed in ileum. The movement that mixes food with digestive juices is segmentation. Which digestive enzyme is absent in gastric juice? Trypsin. The hepatic portal vein carries blood from intestine to liver. The main function of the large intestine is water absorption. Which hormone stimulates pancreatic secretion? Secretin. The common bile duct opens into duodenum. The enzyme trypsin is secreted by pancreas. The wave-like movement of the alimentary canal is peristalsis. Which cells produce mucus in the intestine? Goblet cells. The average length of the small intestine is (6 a.m.). Which enzyme converts starch into maltose? Amylase. The rectum opens to the exterior through anus. The liver stores glycogen. The gallbladder lies on the inferior surface of liver. Which vitamin requires intrinsic factor for absorption? Vitamin B12. The enzyme that digests lactose is lactase. The largest part of the stomach is body. Which part of the colon is S-shaped? Sigmoid colon. The digestion of carbohydrates begins in mouth. The enzyme enterokinase is found in intestinal mucosa. The appendix is attached to cecum. The main function of villi is increase absorption surface area. Subscribe for more videos.